So I was getting some issues with my AMK compressor in the Discovery 3. Changed the front valve block, checked connections for leaks, and it was going up at the front and then trying to resettle. And I noticed the gallery pressure was slowly dropping. Anyway, I've noticed a little bit of this, like just where maybe some water could have gotten into the system. The other spot, just in here, pretty grubby, and I noticed that there was some water in the dryer, so that could be an issue. So I just got done building the AMK compressor, and I wasn't sure if it needed rebuilding, but as you can see here, it was pretty far gone. This end was, a little better, but still had wear. And the housing, it's hard to see in there, but yeah, it would have scored up the housing a little bit, and it was taking ages to inflate, and it was throwing the orange suspension error code on the dash sort of intermittently, but I think that was, it was definitely an issue. And the other thing is that I've noticed that since replacing it, I put an extension on the intake. So there we go here. I've just got this on loose, but I put an extension on, just some clear tube, and now I can hear air hissing through the intake. So it is really pulling in a lot more air than what it used to be. This is where your intake is. It's normally up behind here, and there's a piece of foam in it and some felt here. I've pulled the foam out. I'm gonna get some fresh foam to put in there. But yeah, just spliced in some clear tube just to make it easier to feel if it had suction, and now it really does have suction. So you can buy the whole compressor, which I probably should have done, but I just didn't see that part was available, so I rebuilt it. In order to change this out, you really do need a press, and even for me, I busted mine pressing the bearing out. So it is a bit fiddly. You need some finesse with pressing it out, but it can be done, but you just got to be careful.